Hi, I'm Tony. I'm working for Kesu Group. Kesu Group is focused on high precision parts and rapid prototypes. Recently, our workshop processed many different kinds of high precision impellers. If classified by structure, these impellers could be named as open impeller, closed impeller, and semi-open impeller. Today, what I'm going to show you is a closed impeller or cell impeller. This one was made by our Micron 5-axis CNC machines. These machines come from the Switzerland. And this one is a stainless steel one. It's also a cell impeller. But this impeller is very difficult to be machined. Now I will show you how this blisk was machined. Let's see the video. The cell impeller is core part of the equipment. When closed impeller is working, it will run in a very fast speed for a long time. So the material and the precision of the impeller is very important to the equipment because it connects with the property and the use time of the equipment. When manufacturing the cell impeller, our experienced engineers will use the best solution and the best machine. At first, this impeller was machined by our 5-axis, then like 5-axis Micron E700 or Micron E500. After all these parts are machined, all dimensions will be measured by our QC department with the CMM, maybe the CMM from the Germany, the Zeiss CMM, or the Hexo CMM from Switzerland. So we can show that all parts are okay, and this will help our customer to save time and save money. If you want to know more about the machine technology for other parts, please leave your comments. Next time, I will show you the open impeller. Please follow us. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.